Hi everyone, it's been a great day at Ananda Kshethram, which is very close to our city and very close to Moinabad, 1.5 hour drive from the main city. And the reason why I say this is not many times even in the monotonous world in the metro, we get to see even the light of the sun. We can't even get exposed directly to the sun. But having said that, this is one such wonderful place where you are exposed to the greenery and the nature and the mother earth. And not only that, whenever you come and visit these kind of places, you obviously get along with your family, so that is like heart and soul together. Kids, definitely there is a space to enjoy. For adults, okay, there is a space to enjoy along with the kids. And apart from that, we have spiritual connects with this place and a whole sum of package bundled with joy, excitement and very closeness to the nature. I would strongly recommend, please come to Ananda Kshethram once along with your family and be a part of the nature and get more attached to the nature. All the best.